Raiders touchdown.
Oh!
And here's Eva. Eva, what'd you make? Sunshine.
I made her a fridge for her birthday.
You made her a refrigerator?
And
Let's
the
see it.
freezer and everything. So this is what it looks like. Just for you. Look, here's the freezer, here's the fridge. Inside. There's Velcro right here. Because it's like, it can't go outside.
Okay.
So over here, you just, here wait, I'm going to show you the freezer actually first. So you just slide it out.
All cardboard, hot glue, and spray paint.
Yep.
Very clean design.
And you just Velcro it. Open it. There's this cake I made for her birthday. There's 11. It's supposed to be 11 candles. And it's on a plate.
And what's on the inside door here?
And there's just shelves where you can put anything you want. Like, I made out of this egg carton. Just put it on there. And in here, there's like a little shelf. Side shelf. It's like diagonal because this piece has to go there. And I forgot about that. And I had to cut that shorter. So I had to cut it on the side. I had to cut it on the side over here. So I can cut it because I forgot about this.
Mm-hmm.
So it couldn't close before.
Yeah.
So I had to cut it. And it's here too. I just did that diagonal because I can't put the scissors all the way through it. So.
Very cool. Good design, Eva. Good job. I'm sure she'll love it.